This is the main, and this is the home page. Click on it, and in home page scaffold, this is the app bar, Firebase tutorial, and simple text. Click on the Android app and build gradle. From here we will copy this and open the Firebase and paste it here. The app name, this is optional, Firebase tutorial app. Click on the register app. It will take some time. This is the file. Download the google service.json file and paste it here in the app. Just remove the one and click on OK. So this is the JSON file, project number, project ID, etc. So now close this, click on next. Project level, so this is in the project level. Copy this and go to the app. Click on the Android build gradle and paste it here. Remove the unnecessary code. Now go to the Firebase and now copy this. Copy this plugin. This was just this line, and now click on this build gradle and paste it here. Just remove the bracket. Now copy this dependency code and paste it here and remove the unnecessary code. Remove this also, remove this one. Now click on next and click on continue. So this is done from here, and now close this. Go to the prospect. Enter Firebase core. Click on this Firebase core. Firebase storage. This is the Firebase storage. Copy this and open the prospect YML and enter the dependencies and paste it the dependencies. This is the Firebase core and enter the Firebase storage. We can also copy this and now click on the pub-get. Paste these two dependencies, Firebase messaging, Cloud Firebase, and Flutter local notification. Click on the pub-get. Now this is done. Now we will add the app IDs, etc. widget flutter binding dot. We will here async await, so it's not necessary here. Platform dot, sorry, capital P. Add the library platform dot is Android. If else Firebase exception, sorry, just Firebase dot initialize app. Options, Firebase options. So we will add these things: Firebase key, Fire app ID, messaging sender ID. Remove this one, and we will add it from the JSON. This is the JSON file that we have pasted. The project ID, copy this, and paste it here in the project ID. Project number, and now app ID, copy this one and paste it here. API key, copy this one and paste it here. So this is done. Click on the run. So now we will create the new project, Firebase tutorial, admin Firebase tutorial. So this, now we will create the admin app, and the previous was the user app. Click on create. Go to the build gradle, copy this one, and now we will create the new project in the Firebase. Yeah, click on the add and select for the Android. Paste the name. This is optional. Admin app Firebase tutorial. Register app. Click on this one. Now download this JSON. Copy this one. Yeah, copy and paste it in the app. Remove the two. Click on the OK. Click on next. Copy this code. Now click on the gradle build.gradle. Sorry, this one. Now paste it here. Remove the unnecessary codes. Now copy this line, yeah, paste it here, remove the brackets, and now copy this code dependency and paste it here. Click on next and continue. So this is done for the admin app. Build storage, get started, start in a test mode, click on next, done, done. It will take some time. Click on this, terminal, connecting, data store. Enter this command. I will give you this command in the description. Now this is done. Yeah, this is done. Reload this page. Now open the main file, copy this code that we have done previously, paste it here. This is for the admin. Add the dependencies, these dependencies. Paste it here. I have copy from the user app. Click on the pub-get. Now close this. Sorry. Import the library. Import this library also. Project number, copy this and paste it here. Copy the project ID and paste it here in the project ID. Copy the API key, sorry, app ID, and now API key and paste it here. Now this is done. Close this. Now Firebase connection with Flutter is done. Connecting two apps via single Firebase, this is also done. This is the Firebase Flutter user app, and this is the admin app. So these both app are connected with a single Firebase